because there are many people who are asking me to conduct this type of live sessions, apart from subjects whatever I am discussing, and some design stuff I am discussing, and some interview sessions whatever I am discussing. So people are asking mainly these are jobs related. So myself gathering lot of jobs information, and segregating, and all the links, and I'm collecting, and I'm posting in this YouTube, and I'm also explaining the job profiles, and what is the roles you are going to do, and what skills you require, and what should be your background. Those things I'm explaining for the each job, and job description also will be available in the description. And if you are eligible for the particular profile, you can also message me or comment in the comment section. I can refer you if you are eligible. So please remember, everyone don't get that much time to completely review yourself with, and uh, review yourself first. And if you are eligible, then no issue for me to refer any good candidate to any good company. Yeah, so that is one thing, guys. So I suggest everyone to go through the video clearly, and yes, there may be some non-relevant jobs also, and with the sense that if some mechanical jobs also may be there, yeah, so you don't mind that. So whatever the jobs are, but knowing about other jobs also is good, because you can suggest any of your friends or any of your colleagues. You can also help them by just knowing, okay, hey, here is also one job opportunity is there. You can also can go through it, and you can also can apply it. So these things also, it's better if you know, it doesn't it is not like wasting of time for you. So it's okay to just getting awareness of these things. So today we are mainly discussing the ABB or Hitachi ABB, whatever the job profiles available mainly in Tamil Nadu or Chennai location. So there are many job profiles. So I am covering some 4 job profiles for today. Mainly there are some system design engineer, and associate project engineer in high voltage engineering, and a CAD specialist in a substation primary design. At the same time, project engineer, the HVdc control systems and software design. So these are the some 4 profiles we have. So you can directly I will mention timestamps also for each profile, and you can go through it clearly. Yeah. So first one is system design engineer. So what system design engineers will do, and what job description what is the job recommends these things. So you just go. So let's think about this. So mainly your responsibilities will be performing power system studies like load flow, short circuit, transient stability, switching transient for utility or industrial system. These things you are going to study, and you are also going to design and evaluate the performance of static wire compensators like SVC, and series compensation like SC for power utilities across the globe. It is not only for India, but this position is for global. So you are going to work for any country. And another one is modeling of power system equipment and using simulation tools such as the EMTDC, PSCAD, PSCE, or RTDS. So these are some of the tools that they will use for modeling of power systems. So if you are familiar with these tools, then you have the good opportunity for entering into these jobs. If you don't have any skills, I will also try to conduct some of these tools and the explanations with industry experts. You can also watch those videos, and I will also try to alert all people, and providing to the customers with the products and the services that help them to address problems in their network while minimizing environmental impact. So this is also another job. And living core values of safety integrity, which means taking responsibility for your own actions while caring for your colleagues and the business. So these are some of the responsibilities you are going to do after getting into these jobs. And your background, that this is the main thing, guys. So what should be your background? So a master degree, so they are asking for master degree in power system engineering or in a related discipline. So minimum 5 years experience in power system study. They are expecting minimum 5 years experience, and like that the exposure in tools like PSCAD, MATLAB, and Digislant, and PSSE or RTDS or SimPower or Windows. And this is common. I mean, Windows, MS Office, that is common for any job which needs designs nowadays. So no need to specially mention, but as for the sake of information I am mentioning that. And good knowledge on power system equipment and the purpose, for example power transformers, capacitors, reactors, and instrument transformers, measuring equipment, circuit breaker, disconnectors, and surge arrestor. There are many power system components, and understanding on these all these components also necessary for this job role. So your interview and everything will be on these parameters only. So better understanding in a correlation of power system performance. So power system performance for each time frame you should be able to identify, and for example like a dynamic performance, transient performance, switching phenomena, etc. So with power system equipment and controllability, so you should be very much clear on these things, and strong interpersonal skills, and fluent in English. So English is mandatory for any job. So these are the things, guys. So if you are interested, you can apply for this job, and you can also ask me to refer if you are eligible. And so first job is completed, and we are going forward for the second job, guys. Yeah. Hey, if you have any questions or comments, you can type in the comment section. I will, after this video, I will reply you. Yeah. Okay. Now we are with the second job profile. The job profile is associate project engineer, high voltage, as per guidance from your seniors such as project engineers and lead engineers. So you are going to create engineering designs. The task will be released to primary equipment engineering or secondary system like local control cubicle engineering for gas insulated switchgears or the HV products. So this is one of the things, and you are also get necessary inputs for executing the task. So whatever details you require for executing the task, you are going to get the information from the others, and keep documentation up to date with high quality. So in designs generally you have to keep on changing all the things based on the need whenever it arises. So it is your responsibility to maintain high quality. High quality in the sense not like quality of paper. It is like maintaining quality of data at every place, unique, same values. I mean, you should be properly filled at all the places. So those things also you have to take care. And there are some others like plan your work, keeping the focus on time delivery. So whatever the delivery date is there, so you should agree for you should initially agree whatever you agreed. You should compile that. You should compile that, and ensure the process like ISO, QMS are followed. So these are the quality standards, the international standard organization and the quality management system. These are some of the standards all the companies are following. So these also we have to follow, and adhere to policies and guidelines of INOPC. So whatever the guidelines are there internally, you have to consider those. And living core values of safety, integrity, which means taking responsibility for your own actions while caring for your colleagues and business. So these are some of the responsibilities you are going to take after entering or joining into these companies. And what is your background? So your background is like a degree in electrical or electronics engineering or any related discipline, and have good theoretical knowledge in electrical engineering. You should have very much good theoretical knowledge. So generally the people who are interested to join into these core side sectors, they will have some clear understanding on every aspect like resistor, inductor, capacitor. So you also should have clear understanding in electrical principles. Experience of 1 year in engineering or electrical product sales. In the electrical product sales is preferred. So this is one of the things they are asking. If you are having 1 year experience, then it's good. And knowledge of engineering design activities, including any CAD tool. So if you have any knowledge on engineering designs, so it's very add-on for you. Generally CAD tool, that is good experience. And you should be quick learner to develop hands-on capability of various engineering tools such as E3, Creo, SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor, etc. These are some of the tools generally people will use. And have a solution-oriented mindset. That is the most important. It's not only for this job, for many jobs or any other design profiles. You should have something in your mind. You have to reach the target. That is not like set by something others, set by your own. You should able to reach this much dimensions, this much losses. So that is like self-discipline also, we can say. So whatever it is there, you should achieve that. And so have a solution-oriented mindset. That is most important thing. And develop strong relationship with your customers, colleagues, locally and globally. That is most important. Communication plays because if, for example, if you did everything, but you didn't convey it or mailed or sent to this other person, then what is the use? So communication plays a major role. Sometimes you thought that you sent an email, but still it is in draft stage or it is not sent. But other person is expecting you to, they will get mail from you, but it is in your inbox. So tomorrow you will come to know that it is not sent. So those things you should be you should take care very much. And these are some additional information. I'm just saying whatever I experienced in different companies. So never compromise with quality. At the same time, make sure you are on time. So these are some of the things every company generally will say. And the knowledge of high voltage system, high voltage switch gears is highly referred. So those things are very much required actually for this job. And interested to build career in product engineering and master yourself in HV product engineering. So these are some of the skills or background required for these job profiles. And so these are the things, guys, for this associate project engineer in a high voltage engineering. So you should be very much clear about this job. This is also for Chennai location only. And third job which we are going to study, which we are going to discuss is so CAD Specialist. CAD Specialist. This is for substation primary design. So this is also for Chennai location only. Today most of the things we are covering for Chennai ABB or Hitachi ABB only. So in this case, so your responsibilities are huge. With the sense, there are a lot of things you have to take care after joining into these companies. These things, your responsibilities like preparation of substation layouts and section drawings, preparation for budgetary offers, tenders, projects based on customer specification. So these are some of the things you have to take care. And the preparation of earthing layouts and lightning protection drawings and cable routing drawings and erection key diagrams and control building layouts, illumination drawings. These are some of the things you have to take care and you have to prepare. Prepare bill of material of primary related quantities for tenders or projects based on requirement. So whatever requirement is there, you have to prepare all the documents related to that. And understanding of technical data sheets of primary equipment. So whatever primary equipment, it can be any electrical product. So you should have basic understanding and basic knowledge of primary equipment such as circuit breaker, disconnectors, earthing switches, instrument transformers, power transformers. So these are some of the things that you have to take care of, all the things. And follow the QMS process and adherence to the same. So most of the time, all the MNCs will have this quality management system that is standard. So you have to take care of this. And you are responsible for maintaining and updating the documentation for respective tenders and projects as per the quality process. So this is also you have to take care. And living core values of safety, integrity, which means taking responsibility for your own actions while caring for your colleagues and business. This is a common thing for every job in Hitachi ABB or ABB. So you have to be very much clear. Yeah. So what's background you need for these performing these tasks? Let's see. Yeah. So you should have at least electrical or a bachelor's in electrical engineering or any related discipline. This is most important. And another thing is so here most of the people may be filtered minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in substation designs. So they need these things. And so they are also asking for a proficiency in required CAD design tools. So CAD design tools also proficiency required. So like MicroStation, AutoCAD or Autodesk Revit or 3D competence is preferred. So these are some of the tools you need understanding and knowledge of relevant international standards. For example, IEEE, IEC. These standards you need some better understanding. So that is also you have to take care. And knowledge in substation tendering and project engineering activities like technicals, commercial or negotiations or helping all these sales guys or any customer queries, resolving everything. So these are some of the things, skills you need or qualifications you need for getting the job profile, whatever I explained clear. So this is about this substation primary design job, guys. I hope many people will qualify for this. And the next job, which is the last job for today and fourth job. So let's discuss and we will end the session today. So yeah, this job profile is for a project engineer HVdc and control system software design. So this is also for so this job is also for Chennai location. So let's see what are the skills, what are your responsibilities you are going to perform in this job profile. So your responsibilities in this job, your responsibilities includes implementation and design of design control of an HVdc system and factory system testing, and on-site installation and commissioning of HVdc control and protection systems. So these things you are going to take care, and travel during factory system test and site commissioning. So sometimes the travel also required, and living core values of safety, integrity, which means taking responsibility for your own actions while caring for your colleagues and the business. So this is common thing you should take care and apply. And what should be your background for performing all these tasks? So let's see. So now, a bachelor degree in electrical engineering or a related discipline. So 4 to 10 years of experience in a system control design and implementation. This is what the mainly thing is required. And knowledge of fundamentals of a power system, control system, and protection. So all these things generally we will study switchgear and protection in our colleges, and the control system. So all the things are required for performing mainly HVdc is very advanced high voltage DC system, very advanced system in power system for transmitting bulk power. So you need many skills for performing these. So generally companies will prefer NIT or IIT students, but if any graduation, even any student from other colleges also is capable, then they are ready to take. The only thing is you should be able to justify your knowledge and skills. And apart from that, so experience in AC control and protection schemes. So you should have some experience, and HVdc knowledge and experience is preferred. So whoever have experience already in these HVdc systems, generally they are preferred. And knowledge and experiments in RTDs and other simulation platforms will be preferred. So these things you have to take care. Exposure or basic knowledge in international electric IEEE or IEC standards. So this is also you have to consider. Knowledge on electric power system. So you should have knowledge on electric power system. That is mandatory for this HVdc system. And good knowledge on software development, because all the things will happen like simulations and everything will be like software coded. So you should have very much understanding on these softwares also. Yeah, so these are the things, guys, your background and all. So we almost covered 4 jobs today. I think all the things whatever we discussed, everything falls for electrical engineers. So many people asked me like freshers also, please post some jobs like that, because most of the jobs the thing is currently due to this COVID period and due to this pandemic issue, mostly people are preferring to take experienced people, because if they take freshers, so some good companies who have all the infrastructure and everything, all the systems in place, they will take anyone. They will send the laptop to this new joiner, and they will arrange everything. Those things are there, but small companies, they may not have many infrastructure to support the candidate remotely to perform the task. So those companies generally will prefer experienced candidate only, so that he can do task on his own. So yeah, of course I will try to post some of the job profiles in the coming days with experienced for freshers also. Yeah, I hope hey guys, whoever watching this video, if this content is useful to you, then hit like button and comment it's useful, so that I can understand your requirements also. And yeah, thank you. So please subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I'm uploading videos, you will get notifications. Yeah, on these timings only. If you have any questions or anything, so timing related or any, then please comment here, so that in the next session, tomorrow by the same time, almost 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. I will try to do these things in those videos. I will try to cover. Okay, whatever questions you are going to ask today, I will try to cover those questions in the next day, same live session. Yeah, my internet may be slow, and the people who are watching these videos, my face and something may be blurry. This may happen for a couple of more days also, yeah, try to because I think my voice may be clear, but yeah. So this is some of the things I want to share with you about some personal network issues and all. Yeah, so yeah, it will be good within 1 or 2 months. I will take care of all the things. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye. We will meet in next video tomorrow.